You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is u equal or smaller than 1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 11 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is u equal or smaller than 1.